Good morning. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine in the background, but got up and put my washing on because I'm a productive queen. It's my last day off in ages, so I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to head up to Pacific Fair, which is the big shopping centre on the Gold Coast, which is quite far from my house, so I rarely head there. So today's the day. We're going to have a bit of a shopping morning. Gonna head to a coffee shop. Hopefully I have time to come back and chill before I have a gig with my friend Steph in Byron Bay tonight. So we'll go there a bit early, get dinner, get some drinks. It's gonna be a good day. I came to do my makeup, so I thought I might as well show you. I've already done the skincare. I just put on this Laura Mercier hydrating primer. I have not used this before, so today's the first day. Let's see how it goes. I'm not going outside today, but I'll be driving there and back, so I'm going to use this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue, which does have SPF as my only SPF today. It's got SPF 30. Usually I don't use this on a day-to-day. I just do like concealer and bronzer, but my skin's looking a bit red, so I want a base layer today. I find it provides just a really nice, little bit tanned, little bit glowy finish. Then I've got my makeup bag. I'm using the Tower 28 concealer. I actually put on a little face mask this morning that was like a caffeine glow one, so my under eyes aren't looking too bad. It actually worked quite well. I think it was just the Frank body one, and I like to blur that in just with a triangle puff. I'm going to use an Hourglass bronzer. My favourite blush is the Merit Lusitano blush, perfect pinky everyday colour. I just love it. Today I might add a touch of red with Merit Persimmon. Just gonna blend that in. Up here too. I usually put it's just the NARS Orgasm blush, but it's like a glittery version. My other version doesn't have the same shine to it as this, so I'm gonna just put that over for a bit of almost highlighter. And then I'm trying to use up this little eyeshadow palette I have from L'Oreal, so I'm just gonna go in with the light color my edge of my eyebrows, which I'm just using with my finger, and then just some dabs on my cheek again as a highlighter, my nose, Cupid's bow. And let's do eyebrows. I really love the Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. It's pretty much run out. I just love how thick this brush is, and I ended up buying a cheap one, but it's not as good. So I like putting the pigment from this onto that brush and then using the Hourglass brush to do my brows. I'm actually going to put some more eyeshadow on today because it's my day off and I feel like being a bit more sparkly than I would for work. With my eyelashes, I always rub my eyes so I don't use black mascara and instead just go in with a clear. I'm just using the e.l.f. one. My boyfriend always thinks I am torturing my eyes when I do this, but it makes such a big difference. For my lips, I'm going on with the OXX Cosmetics Peptide Lip Liner. I searched Mecca, Priceline, Chemist Warehouse, everywhere for a long-lasting wind-up creamy lip liner, and just as I was giving up, I didn't like the texture of so many, I found this at Target for $6 and it's so good. And I'm just going to finish with Rode Peptide Lip Tint in Toast. Finished makeup look, very subtle, very natural. Damn, my makeup looks good. I'm just gonna make a smoothie now before I go. Look at this beautiful coloured smoothie. I have a bit of time, so I actually might just sit and drink this here and start my book before leaving. This is my new read I'm about to start. It's the latest Andre Acumen, who's the author of Call Me By Your Name. His books are interesting, short, and I usually like them. This one has mixed reviews, so let's see. Okay, quickly before I go, this is my outfit of the day. Top is actually from Target Teens and it's like my new favorite top. Shorts are from a surf shop across the road from me. Kind of feel like I'm wearing pajamas, which is the ultimate comfort outfit for a me day. Shoes are from Sports Girl. I wear them like every single day. They're so comfortable. Sunnies, Gander. Got my Sondre watch, jade bracelet and little lucky charm from Vietnam. My rings, also made that ring in Vietnam. I love this fit. Let's go shopping. It's Holly Humberstone release day, so this is what's going to be playing on my drive. Okay, I've arrived at Pack Fair. I went to the holiday coffee in Mermaid, I think. I always see it all over social media and wanted to try. And I got their latest on tap special, which was a strawberry white chocolate syrup in your coffee. And it's quite nice. It was really busy there. I wanted to check out Zara because of all the amazing winter jackets they supposedly had. I sadly did not find anything, but how cute are these little ballet flats? Gotta run. For dinner, we checked out Bar Heather, which had very fancy wine and snacks. It was a bit too bougie for us, but they did have a wine with my name on it.
Who loved to act school back in the day? What to do was to sit at home and watch daytime TV.
after getting home late from the gig, I had a big sleep in and made myself some yummy breakfast.
This is the work setup station for this morning. Let's be productive.
I've been feeling a bit emotional this week, just lonely, missing my family, and with friends being busy. So I've really tried to enjoy this beautiful time of the year by going for dusk swims while it's still warm enough, enjoying nice breakfasts, and having little movie nights with wine. I've been reading lots and lying in the sun as much as possible, as it's definitely getting cooler now, so it's a treasure to soak up when it's there. Luckily, where I live, there's always free events on. And also beautiful nature and hikes to do and swim in. Thank you for watching this everyday makeup routine, day in my life, and a few reflections on April. I really hope May can be a beautiful month for us all.